ready to fire up. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the installation and test drive of this Audi Q5 turbo core replacement, and I wanted to be a little bit more detailed about the installation, but I found myself in front of the camera most of the time. So what I decided to do, a little bit of a voiceover and go through, what I went through to install this turbo. First of all, we put the turbo into place. You have 3 nuts for the exhaust or GPF side, and then another 3 12mm nuts for the exhaust manifold. You have a temperature sensor at the back, which is a 17mm spanner that you're gonna need. Then you have the brackets or the support for the turbo, which is a 16mm. Oil return outlet, which is T40 or 10mm. It's easier to use a T40, to be honest, to go around the pipe. Next, we have the turbo intercooler hose and 2 Torx 30. And we are done at the bottom of the car. Oil inlet, which is going to be the last thing that we're going to do, because we need to prime the turbo. It's a 17mm. And regarding the turbo install, we only have 2 things to do now, which is the vacuum line and the electrical connector. And we are pretty much done. Now we're gonna fit all the air filter housing. And we are ready to start the engine. All right, so this is the moment. Put the key in. First position. So again, sign for the battery. So I'm gonna clear the system. Everything's plugged in now. So Audi Q5 2012 diesel 2-liter CGL engine. Must have some cords there because it had loads of stuff unplugged. So there we go, O2 sensor, mass, air flow sensor, a valve for the air filter. Okay, let's clear that. Okay. Alright, no faults now. Right, done. Ready to fire up. Right. Oh, battery's a bit dead. Battery's dead. Alright, second time lucky, hopefully. Let's fire up. Started. Let's idle for a bit. Gonna check for any oil leak or anything. Check for oil leak. Right, seems to be singing nicely, no oil leaks. Right, let's go for a drive. Particulate filter.
Might just need a little run, mightn't it?
Yeah, well, generally, when you drive around town, if it's slightly sort of blocked, that come on. But when you go on a long drive,
itself.
Doesn't it?
I'll have to ask the missus about that light one.
Yeah, that's generally they could clear when you go on the long run. Could be the GPS.
Yeah, I have that.
slightly.
In my van I get that light, and I have to, and in the manual when I read it said I had to drive at 40 mile an hour in 5th gear for 5 minutes and then it goes off.
Yeah.
It's like a filter that's a bit, just clears it out.
Does it seem to be boosting alright, turbo?
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it feels alright. It feels like it normally does. Not feel any quicker. It's not very quick anyway. Let's go around the back.
Yeah, it's up to you, mate. Whatever test drive you want to do. I mean, it seems to be working alright. There's no leaks because I checked for no leaks. There's plenty of oil in it. I think it's just over it. It's funny because you can't see it really the real level, you know. Nothing better than a dipstick, to be honest.
Yeah, I know. I don't really understand why they don't have that.
You know, it kind of started first time. The exhaust is coming out from the right end.
Yeah.
You know, rather than engine. It's boosting, it's going. Right, I'll clear that again. Let's see. Oh, see if there's any faults in the system. We'll clear that again. But it's starting and it's running.
Hey, it feels brilliant, mate.
Yeah.